So my name is Mike Smiley. My wife Norma is sick. That's what she looks like. So I am.
So you get 4 minutes. Okay.
Yes. So anyway, the thing that Norma and I mainly teach writing classes, and one of the things with writing classes is editing. And so rather than getting papers, what we've learned to do is to have the kids submit their papers on WeChat in a PDF form. And then when we get it on WeChat, we then download it. This requires an iPad and a iPad pencil. And so as we get it, we can then edit it on our iPad. The nice thing is as you're reading, so often you'll write something and you say, oh, I wish I hadn't written that. And if it's written in ink, you're sort of like scratching it out. The nice thing is when you do it on your iPad, you can easily erase it. And you can also, for us, we're trying to teach them, this is the thesis statement, these are the three supporting categories, and to make sure they know where those go in the paragraph, in the essays. And so we highlight things so that they know that we're looking for, what items we're looking for in their paper and where they belong. And so the nice thing is when they come, and you can have a file for each one of your students where you put the paper, and then when you're done, you just WeChat it back to them as soon as you're done. You don't have to wait to use up time in class to hand them out. And the nice thing is you then also retain a copy of what they've given you. So we had exercises where they were working on an essay, and we gave them 2 or 3 edits. And so we could always see what comments we gave them before, so we could follow up on to see if they addressed it in the past. The students really like being able to get the WeChat back, the feedback quickly. We like the fact that you could keep track of have I received everyone's, because once their item comes in the file, you change the color of the file. And so if it's purple, we know I've received it, but if it's red, I haven't received it. And then I can follow up on the red ones and say, okay, where's your essay or stuff like that. So anyway, I thought that was, from a process standpoint, that helped us a lot.